Hello children, welcome back to the English 2 session. As you all know, we have started with our revisions, right? We have solved revision 1 and today we are going to deal with revision 2. Here is the second revision. According to your paper pattern, question number 2 is pick and write the special names from these sentences. Okay, sentences will be given like this. From that you have to pick the special name and write it on the blank. But when you are writing in the answer sheet, you have to write only the answer. For example, now the first one, Sunday is a holiday. In this sentence, Sunday is the special name. So you will directly write the answer, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Sunday is the special name given to the day. Second one, Suman has a Barbie doll. In this sentence, Suman is the special name of a girl and Barbie is the special name given to the doll. So we write both here, Suman, S-U-M-A-N, Suman and Barbie. Okay. Next, third one. My mother brought Amul butter. In this sentence, Amul is the name of the butter, special name given to the butter. So, Amul is the special name. The next fourth one. January is the first month. In this sentence, January, the special name given to the month. January is the special name. Next, my dog's name is Rocky. Okay, here Rocky is the special name given to the dog. So, R-O-C-K-Y, Rocky. Next, my aunt lives in Delhi. Okay, so here Delhi is a special name of a place. Okay, so we write Delhi. Next, seventh one. Mr. Roshan is my neighbor. So here Mr. Roshan is the special name given to a person. So we write here Mr. Roshan. Next, I like to watch Chhota Bheem. Okay, here Chhota Bheem is a special name given to the cartoon. So, Chhota Bheem. Next, my brother has an Indica car. Here, Indica is the special name given to the car. Next, I brush my teeth with Colgate toothpaste. Here, Colgate is the special name given to the paste. Okay, children. Now, the next question. According to your paper pattern, question number 3 is write the plurals of. For the plurals, we have learnt 2 rules. One is add s and the second rule is if the nouns end with ch, sh, s, double s, o, x or z, then we add es to make it plurals. Okay, here I have given you some examples here. First one, pen, pens, only add s. Match, matches, add es because it ends with ch. Teacher, teachers, only add s. Potato, ending with o, so add es. Monkey, monkeys, only s. Watch, ending with ch, so add es. Bag, bags. Brush, ending with sh, so add es. Egg, eggs, only S. Peach, peaches, ending with CH, so add ES. Crayon, crayons, only add S. Box, ending with X, so add ES. Tree, trees, add only S. Bench, benches, ending with CH, so we add ES. Cap, caps, only add S. Glass, ending with double S, so add ES. Next, book, books, only add S. Catch, ending with CH, so add ES. Cake, cakes, only add S. Church, churches, ending with CH, so add ES. House, houses, only S. Sandwich, sandwiches, here ending with CH, so we add ES. Banana, bananas, only add S. Beach, beach, beaches, here ending with CH, so add ES. Frock, frocks, add S. Dress, dresses, ending with double S, so we add ES. Cup, cups, only add S. Torch, torches, torch ending with CH, so add ES. Game, games, only add S. Buffalo, ending with O, so add ES. Bus, ending with S, so add ES. Tomato, ending with O, so add ES. Okay children, this is the revision for today. We are going to stop here and continue in the next session. Remember children, it is not necessary to write the revision. If you only learn and understand the concept also, it is okay. But if you want for your practice, then you can write it. Is it clear? It is not compulsory for writing. Okay, this is all for today. We'll stop here and continue in the next session. Thank you children.